In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a song in YouTube Music. To start, open your browser on your computer. In the address bar or search box, type YouTube, then press Enter. You should see YouTube appear as one of the first results, usually with the familiar red play button logo. Take a quick second to check the spelling, because a small typo can send you to a different site that just looks similar but is not YouTube. Once you can see the search results, look for the official YouTube link and click it. The real one will usually say YouTube and show that red and white play icon. When the YouTube page opens, check the top right corner. If you are not signed in, you will see a sign in button there. Click sign in, then log in with the Google account that you use for YouTube Music. When you finish, you should see your profile picture or your initial in a circle in that same top right area. Now that you are signed in, move your mouse to the very top right corner of the YouTube page. Click on your profile picture there. A menu will drop down under it. This menu controls many parts of your YouTube and YouTube Music account, and you may see options like Your Channel and Purchases and Memberships. Do not click those now. Just keep the menu open so you can see everything in the list. From that drop-down menu, look for the option that says Upload Music and click it. The wording might sit near other YouTube Music options, so read the list slowly if you are new to it. Once you click Upload Music, a new window will appear from your browser. This is your file picker, and it lets you choose a music file stored on your computer to send to YouTube Music. If nothing appears, make sure your browser is not blocking pop-up windows. Next up, choose your exported WAV, FLAC, or MP3 file from your computer. These are the audio formats that YouTube Music accepts for uploads. In the file picker, navigate to the folder where you saved your finished song from your music software. A common beginner mistake is to select a project file instead of an audio file, so check that the file extension ends with WAV, FLAC, or MP3. Click the file once to highlight it, then click Open in the file picker window. Your browser will start uploading the song, and you might see a progress indicator on screen showing the upload status. Iplan hebben je te request voor een dinch, or mingdanderd, and kindy and hupil computer, adredi and trust. YouTube Music will process the file in the background. Once processed, you can find your song in the mobile or desktop app by navigating to Library, then Uploads, then Songs. In the Library tab, look for a section called Uploads, then choose Songs to see a list of all tracks you added yourself. Your new song will appear there with the file name you used on your computer, and you can tap or click it to play it just like any other track. You have now added your own song into YouTube Music so you can stream it from your library on any device. If this helped you get your track into YouTube Music, give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple music tutorials.